The title of world's richest person can change every day, depending on the prices of companies' shares, but Elon Musk has been holding that title lately. Musk is often called a genius because of his business skills, the way he talks to people, and his role as a tech visionary. Musk is the CEO and co-founder of Tesla, a company that makes electric cars. He is also the CEO of SpaceX and the lead designer for that company. Elon Musk has made most of his money through the companies he has started, but he has also made money through investments. Today we are going to talk about Elon Musk's best investments. But before we start our countdown, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. Number 6. Cryptocurrency investments. We don't know how much he owns, but we do know that Musk invests in cryptocurrency, both personally and through the companies he runs. He has been very vocal about some of the digital assets he likes, especially Dogecoin. Musk has also said that he owns Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. However, he has said that Bitcoin is worth a lot more than Ethereum or Doge. Both Tesla and SpaceX own a lot of Bitcoin as well. We know that Tesla has about 42,000 Bitcoins, but we don't know how many Bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies Musk has on his own. Number 5. The Boring Company. In 2017, Musk started the Boring Company, a company that builds infrastructure in tunnels. The company was started on the idea that traffic is bad, but you don't have to drive above ground. Instead, you could use the miles and miles of earth under roads to solve traffic problems. The goal of the company is to make tunneling cheaper and production more efficient. In March 2019, the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority gave the Boring Company $48.6 million to build the LVCC Loop, an underground tunnel that would go under the Las Vegas Convention Center and have 3 stations and a tunnel for people to walk through. The Boring Company opened the LVCC Loop for business in April 2021. As of 2022, the Boring Company has finished more projects in Hawthorne, California, and is working on another in Las Vegas. Number 4. Tesla Motors. Musk wasn't one of the people who started Tesla, but he did lead an early round of funding in 2004. Musk went from being on the board of Tesla to being its CEO in 2008. At the same time, he was still the CEO of SpaceX. On June 28, 2010, Tesla had its first public offering, IPO, on NASDAQ. At first, shares of common stock were sold to the public for $17 each. Tesla's goal is to speed up sustainable transportation by making electric cars available to the general public. In November 2017, Tesla said that it would make fully electric tractor-trailer trucks. UPS and PepsiCo were among the companies that placed pre-orders. The Model S, Model X, Model 3, and the high-end Roadster supercar are all electric cars made by the company. On December 28, 2021, Elon Musk owned 177 million Tesla shares, which were worth about $142.3 billion. Elon Musk is still the company's biggest individual shareholder, and he has a lot of say over the long-term plan and operational goals of the company. Number 3. DeepMind Technologies. Musk was one of the most important angel investors in DeepMind Technologies when it started up at the end of 2010. In January 2014, Google said that it had bought the company for an amount that was not made public. Musk is known to worry that AI will take over and replace humans. He is said to have invested in DeepMind not to make money, but to keep up with how quickly the technology behind AI is changing. DeepMind has done a lot of research on deep reinforcement learning, which is an AI technique that combines deep learning, which is mostly used to recognize patterns, with reinforcement learning. In a 2013 white paper, DeepMind gave this way of learning its name. It is based on reward signals, such as a score in a game. Deep reinforcement learning was a big step forward for AI, but DeepMind hasn't found many successful commercial uses for it yet. Alphabet, which owns Google, has used this method internally to lower the power costs of keeping Google's servers cool in data centers. Number 2. SpaceX. Musk started SpaceX, which is short for Space Exploration Technologies Corp., in 2002. The company was started with the goal of making a big change in space technology, which includes making spaceships that can take people to Mars and other places in the solar system. In 2006, NASA gave SpaceX a very good contract. In 2008, SpaceX sent the Falcon 1 rocket into orbit. It was the first liquid-fueled rocket sent by a private company. In 2010, the Dragon spaceship from SpaceX got to the International Space Station. In 2012, gave SpaceX a second contract to help shuttle people between the International Space Station and Earth. In 2021, NASA signed a $2.9 billion contract to move astronauts on its Starship vehicles from lunar orbit to the Moon's surface. Number 1. PayPal. Musk helped start X.com, an online financial services and email payment company, with another person in 1999. After a year, X.com merged with Confinity, which became PayPal in 2001. On October 3, 2002, eBay paid $1.5 billion to buy PayPal. At the time of the sale, Musk owned 7,109,989 shares of PayPal, giving him an 11.7% stake and making him the biggest shareholder. Musk is no longer a part owner of PayPal. He left his job after the company was sold, and he used the money from the sale to put money into investments like SpaceX, Tesla, and SolarCity. How can you invest like Elon Musk? If you want to invest like Elon Musk, the first thing you should do is buy shares of Tesla stock, which makes up the vast majority of his net worth. Obviously, the part of his portfolio that has to do with private equity is a roadblock. You can't just buy shares in SpaceX or the boring company on the stock market, and most people can't take part in their funding rounds. Find publicly traded companies with a similar focus. For example, many investors have said that Rocket Lab USA is the closest thing to SpaceX on the public markets. Lastly, it would be easy to follow Musk into cryptocurrencies, but there is one very important thing to remember. Musk's risk-taking habits are very different from yours because he has billions of dollars in assets. In fact, his goals are probably less about balancing investment growth and risk management and more about building businesses that fit with his personal goals and image. In other words, Musk could lose $1 billion tomorrow on Dogecoin and still be very rich. Remember that you probably can't afford to lose $1 billion on an investment just because a rich or famous investor has bought it. Even Musk has told investors not to put too much money in cryptocurrencies. In the end, Elon Musk has a lot of money, but most of it is tied to a single stock and private companies that we probably can't invest in. If you want to invest like Elon Musk, you could buy Tesla stock, but becoming an entrepreneur might be a better way to copy his style. So, that's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.